All right, I'm gonna show you everything you can expect from this compact vacuum sealer with the reusable bags, but first let me show you just how fast this is and how much air it actually sucks out. Now, full disclosure, this kit was sent to me by the brand to check out. So this did come with 2 different size bags, 15 small and 15 medium. For the small bags, they kind of remind me of quart size bags. This is a regular sandwich Ziploc bag, and you can see it is a little bit bigger than that. But the medium-sized bags that come with is exactly the same size as my gallon freezer Ziploc bags. So for this test, I'm using the larger, which is considered their medium bag. And it really is going to depend how fast it is on how much you have in each bag and how much air is left to suck out. But I am going to vacuum seal this pack of pork chops. So I'm going to actually put all 4 pork chops in the bag. And then they come with these clips to help you seal it. Now, I always start by pressing mine sealed kind of a little bit like a Ziploc bag. But what you want to do is you want to take the clip and put it on there, put it all the way down on the bag when it can't go no further. And you want to slowly slide it, and you'll hear it start to click and zip. And this makes sure it seals in place. Now, I always personally just like to do mine a second time just to make sure that I have the seal good. All right, all I'm gonna do is put the vacuum sealer over the white circle on the bag. You do have to press and hold the button for just like 2 seconds for it to come on, but you can see it already like vacuum sealing and sucking the air out. And let me stop it because I don't know if you could hear, but as soon as it gets all of the air out, it automatically stops. And so that took about 11 seconds to do a big vacuum seal. Let me see if you can see it up close. They are really good and sealed. All right, now what about juicier food? I have 2 cooked chicken breasts here, and as you can see, when I pick them up to put them in the bag, you can see sauce coming off on my fingers. These are marinated. All right, and I'm gonna try to put these in a smaller bag to kind of show you what juicier food or leftovers in the smaller bag looks like. All right, and we do already have this on. So for the chicken, I'm just going to place this on the thing and press the button to start it. And you can see it shrinking, and you can actually see it pulling some of the juices up, but it did not pull them past the seal point, and there was no juice collected in that, and it vacuum sealed them pretty good, I would say. Now, I do own a full countertop type vacuum seal machine, but the reason I prefer these reusable bags and the portable cordless like compact one is, one, it's just very easy. You don't have to like plug it up, move stuff around, find a empty counter space near an outlet or anything like that. I could literally just stand here and do this in my hand like this. All you got to do is just hold the vacuum sealer up to the thing. And also practicality, because these are reusable. When I want just one of these pork chops, if I had this like in the freezer or something, I could just open this bag, take 1 pork chop out, and then I could technically reseal it again with the 3 pork chops in there, and continue using the same bag. Now, what happens with countertop vacuum sealers is these bags are not reusable. I did leave a little bit of space up here, but this is like cubes of soup. So I'm only one person, say I only want to eat 1 cube of soup. I would have to cut the bag below the seal, which means I would be losing like 2 inches almost, or 1.5 inches of bag, and take one out, and then I would have to reseal it. So over time, I'm gonna lose so much bag that I won't have enough space to reseal it, and then I'll either have to use it all or waste basically this bag and get a new bag to re-vacuum seal it. Also, another thing, the thickness of the bag when you're freezing things matter, and these reusable bags are actually, hope you can see that, very, very thick, very, very durable. Whereas the bags that you buy to use a countertop vacuum sealer, they're much thinner in consistency. So I guess that might just be a personal preference, but I do prefer these because they are thicker. And with the thickness comes more durability. These are actually microwave safe, freezer safe, and boilable. So like I have my leftover chicken. If I wanted to go microwave this and eat it, I could just crack this, unseal it by opening a little bit to vent it, and I could actually stick it in the microwave in this bag and reheat it and kind of steam it in the bag itself. All right, and when you're done with these, they can just be rinsed out. Depending on what kind of food you had in there, you might want to add some dish soap and kind of just like you're washing a dish, just wash them out. Because of the thicker plastic, I really do feel that they are really durable, so they clean up very nicely. All right, so if you're looking for a reusable portable vacuum sealer that's just easy to use, highly recommend giving this one a try.